All right, I gotta clean the pool here, but we got a delivery, so let's take a look at what we got from DHL. I believe it's gonna be coming from RZE Watches. The usual packaging, simple little box. There it is. I wonder which color it's gonna be. Ooh, exciting, exciting. You're gonna see it with me. First time, day one. Or one day. Your best moments are on the other side of your fears. So put on your gear and let's get moving. We got sticker, we got a welcome card. Looks like one of those FKM rubber straps. Nice, 20 mil. Nice little case. Zipper pouch. I like that. Got the logo there on it. Velcro for patches, whatever you want to put. Let's open her up, see what we got. Oh, this design looks nice. Whoa, say it ain't so. Is that a GMT? Oh yeah, the RZE GMT. Whoa, we're gonna have some fun with this. I'm gonna get this thing in the studio. We can do a top-down bird's eye view. Quick little first glance, hands-on for the unboxing. And then we'll do a full review to follow it up. But at first glances there, this thing looks beautiful. I'm loving it. Super lightweight too for this full package with bracelet as well. And a jump hour, Travelers or True GMT. Got it like that. As you can see, I'm also adjusting the date once it goes around. You can see the date is changing as well. Automatic moving, you can see that sweeping seconds hand, and a nice contrasting color for the GMT hand with the yellow, matching that of the GMT text. Really good. We'll get into the measurements, but at first glances here, I'm really liking it. It's really nice. Nice full brushed package there, fixed bezel. I mean, I know it's first glances and all, but yeah, fantastic bracelet design with micro adjustment under here. In the interest of adjustments and putting it on my wrists are 7¼ inches. Obviously right out of the box, it has several links there, so you can see it's gonna fit a little bit big. I'm not gonna worry about any adjustment. I'll just throw it on the rubber that they've provided, and we'll show you some great wrist shots there. With that black dial, it's gonna go great with the rubber as well. So, and did I mention quick release for both the bracelet as well as this rubber? That's fantastic right there. Okay, we got her down in the studio here, just with the quick hands-on in this unboxing. It's known as the Fortitude. It's the GMT design. RZE Watches is crushing it. This thing is gorgeous and feels real nice. I'll get into all the specs and stuff during the full review, but thanks for coming to the channel. Appreciate the support. The RZE Fortitude GMT. Yeah, it can be found at rzewatches.com. Looking forward to the full review. Stick around to the channel. See you on the next one.